everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell beside it so that each time I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to wash your beans for moimoi or akara. So over here I have my beans. Here is the one I'm going to be washing now. So now I'm just going to add water to it to soak for about 5 minutes before I start washing the beans. And now that amount of water is okay. I will just allow it to soak for about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, my beans is a bit soaked now. It's time for me to start washing it now. Then here is my filter. I'm going to be using this to filter it after washing it. Okay, so here I already started washing my beans and I'm still washing it. It's not yet clean. I'll have to wash it just like this for about 15 to 20 minutes before my beans will be clean. So just wash and wash, filter until your beans is well clean. So now I'm just going to turn this water inside the beans, then filter it again. Here is the base. As you can see, it's not yet clean. I will still continue washing it until everything is removed. change your water if you want, because I want it to be a bit faster for me. That's why I'm still using the same water. Then after this, I'm going to throw that water away and add new one. After some minutes, let's say about 15 minutes, here is the beans. It's almost clean, but I still have to wash it more.
Let's touch it.
And now I'm going to add new water to the beans. And start washing it. Continue washing it again. As you can see, it's not yet clean, so we have to get rid of all those. Want your beans to be very clean, you have to wash it more. At this point, if you are tired or something like that, you can also leave it like this, because once you add water to your beans, the dirty will come up. Then you can remove your beans from it. But I like to wash my until it's thoroughly clean. So I'll just add more water to it, then filter it, and continue washing my beans. And here, after 20 minutes, my beans is well cleaned now. So now I'm just going to add water to it and allow it to soak for 1 hour, because I want my beans to be very soft, so that when I'm blending it, I will not have any problem with it or my blender. And here is after adding water to it. I will leave it for 1 hour. So see you guys in the next 1 hour. Yeah, after 1 hour, our beans is well soaked now. It's very soft. Your blender can easily blend it now. So I just filter out the water, and here we have only the beans. So at this point, guys, if you are not going to use your beans to make moimoi that same day, or anything you want to make your beans, maybe akara or moimoi, if you are not going to use it that day, you can keep your beans in the freezer until the day you are going to use it. So that is all for this video, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment